Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a very quick recipe. This is basically a quick tip, but it's so delicious, it's healthy, you really can't go wrong with this, so I hope you like this video. First you want to take a zucchini and you want to cut it into thin slices. Then take your tomatoes and cut those into slices as well. And you don't want to make them too thin. Then you want to take a casserole dish and you want to start putting the zucchini and the tomato in there. Now cut down your feta cheese and then go ahead and also put the feta cheese in between the tomatoes and the zucchini slices. And you can just be a little bit creative. You can see that it actually looks really pretty as well because of the colors. Then you want to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil on top, and you want to use some salt and some pepper. And then you want to make sure to add some Italian herbs to that. You can use fresh ones or use a mixture of dried herbs. And then you want to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And it's so delicious, you guys. I would recommend some ciabatta with that. It was so good. I really liked it. It's so simple, so delicious, perfect for summer. Give it a try. And I will talk to you soon. Bye!